This is probably the happiest I've ever left a salon because I freaking love it. I have just reached my ultimate form. I feel like I'm Ariel. I completely forgot to film an intro, so we're just gonna get right into it. Anyways, this is before. My natural hair color is just black and I have brown highlights towards my ends. So let's get ready to turn this into red hair color. First, I needed to wash my hair. The stylist told me to come with my hair washed and clean with no products on. I used my K18 maintenance shampoo. I would have clarified, but I just did it on my previous wash. So I skipped conditioner, then I went in with my K18 leave-in hair mask. This is honestly amazing. It's basically a repairing product. I want to make sure my hair is the healthiest it can be before doing some damage, you know. This is the inspiration picture I showed my stylist. We're going for like a wine red or dark red hair color. I've been wanting to do this forever. I finally had the balls to go for it, and I think it's a perfect fall hair color. After that, I just hover diffuse for a little bit and air dry the rest, and now I'm off
to the salon.
The salon I'm going to is called the Thairapy Salon. It's a curly hair salon in Pasadena. Look at all these plants. I definitely felt like I was in therapy, but for my hair. I also knew I'm in the right place because girl, everyone I saw in here, staff and all clients, have such gorgeous hairs. So anyways, we got started coloring. This is my stylist, or sorry, colorist, Marlene. She's amazing. And look, she has red hair on her Instagram picture. And she also told me that her favorite color to do on clients is red. So once again, I knew I was in good hands. I actually went in for a consultation a few days before this, so we already knew what we were gonna do. We're just doing an all-over color, no balayage, no highlights or anything like that. Because since my ends are already light, it'll help give my hair more dimension, so it's not just gonna be literally just one color. It was at this point where I'm kind of doubting my decisions in life and why I randomly wanted to go all red. But I trusted the process. Now for the best part of any hair appointment, having them wash your hair. It just feels so good, doesn't it? I don't know which ones exactly they use, but I know they're all Innocence products. For shampoo, conditioner, and for styling products, I know it was a leave-in and a foam. Sorry, I forgot to take videos of all the products they use except for this one. I've never really tried Innocence before, but I think it worked well on my hair. If you try them, let me know which ones your favorites are on the comments. Maybe I'll look into trying them. So then after, we did some micro plopping and diffusing and shaking, and this is the result.
So good.
So good.
Do you see how the ends are just brighter?
Yeah,
it looks
like,
so good.
kind of like a gradient.
It's beautiful.
So yeah, thanks for coming along with me today. It was so much fun. I love my hair. If you don't love it, then don't tell me, because frankly, I don't care, because I love it, and then that's all. And that's all that matters. So if you're curious how much it was $300 plus tip. And then she said that upkeep 6 to 8 weeks, I have to come back there to do like a retouch. That would be $170. So that's pretty pricey, but we'll see. This is how it looks like on my regular spot of filming. I feel like I'm Ariel. I love it so much. Anyways, I will wash it and style it this weekend like I normally do to see how it looks like. We know when I style it on my own. And then I will post it on TikTok or Instagram, Pinterest too. So if you want to see how it looks like, you should check it out over there. I've been trying to post a YouTube video for the longest, and this is my first YouTube video, and honestly, I'm just kind of winging it, but I'm trying to get better, okay? And there will be more, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just put sunscreen on my pants. Yep. I should just wash it off right now because I really wanted to. Ah, fuck. I put sunscreen on the carpet. Well, first day of vlogging is going well.